Let us look at how we can use the 7-stone prong setting. You need to choose the center gem, which is generally round, and the outside gem. You can choose how many prongs the outside gem has. So if I choose 4 prongs, 3 prongs, 2 prongs, that's how it will work. I can go for individual prongs as well. Now this was with outer gem round and this is all flat. I can obviously play with the gem step height and the gem rotation. Let's look at the other options available. I'm going in for individual gem prong type and I'm changing the outer prong to marquee. Let's increase the outer gems. Or I can go for heart. Now let's reduce the outer gems. Within the heart, I can also say flip gem, where I can have, this is still large, let's say 1.8. Yeah, there I can play with the placement of heart. If I go reverse, I can go for a bigger heart shape as well. Similarly, we have oval and drop shape. In drop shape also you can play with the flip option. So using just one 7-stone setting, you have different designs to be created. You can not necessarily have 7 stones. You can opt for lesser number or more number of stones around it as well. So playing with any one of these options, you can generate n number of designs for using the 7-stone setting.